people, it is time. The jerk turkey. Look at that!
Oh, you mean it don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean it don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean it don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean it don't tell a friend them about Yaadman, Etan? Wagwan, I hope everything good, I hope everything bless. You don't know, say Yaadman Etan, aka Chef Boy Yadi. And right now, I put this recipe to the test. I have this big bird right there, so this big turkey. And I say, why haven't I ever jerked a turkey before? So look, you know, this is going to be the second biggest meat that I have ever jerked in my life. I'm going to do something that I've never done before. I am going to make a compound butter. I am going to make jerk butter. See that? I'm going to some jerk seasoning, right or so. I'm going to infuse this in a butter.
Of course, every Jamaican knows that you can't have jerk without the pimento then, but look, you know, I have a spice grinder, right or so. You see me? So I put some of the pimento in that. Alright. The pimento get released up in that. See, ooh, that grind up the pimento nice and fine. Yo, I could have probably use this for grind up some other thing. Behave you to be
a cup of butter. And look here. The food processor now work. That's why I use a blender. Alright, cool. Pimento powder, what does make? Yes, man. Jerk seasoning. A frozen Scotch bonnet pepper. I forgot this. See me? Let's skip to the good part. You see the butter here? I mix up with the jerk seasoning and the pimento and the pepper. Yeah, man. So right now, we have our jerk compound butter. Alright. This piece I don't know. So now we just need to scoop this out and put it back in the fridge. Soon show you how I do with this. So now I'm gonna flash this in the freezer. I don't want to put it in the fridge, but I want it harden up quick. What I'm about to do with it. Alright, so now it is time for the big bird. Oh, look at that. Quick, put that up on our front. Because I have decided that I am going to cut out the back.
Alright, what up?
Let me
What's this? Alright. A message to my Jamaicans. This turkey has been washed. Just because you never see me wash it on camera, no means it no clean. So to my Jamaicans, no bother with it. You made it this far into the video? You already a whole vibe? Make sure you subscribe and follow me on my other social media platforms.
Bombardos. Okay. Woo. We cut out the spine. So now I'm gonna put it on the grill. You can spread it out right on the grill. Just like that. Because it now no spine. The thing that we've all been waiting for. Seasoning this thing. From my experience of tasting turkeys, not every turkey is made the same. Some people say them hate turkey because turkey is always dry. But look, you know, turkey doesn't need to be dry. I'm going to take some of this compound butter. And I'm going to go underneath the skin flaps. And I'm going to push it right in on the breast. Right underneath the breast. Remove a turkey. Another one here. Apply the dry jerk seasoning. There we go. So I was just given something called a turkey bag. Listen, me new to them something, so please don't judge me. Inside of this. Oh. Yo, this is a big bird, you know. Jeez and peas. You know, the same blender I'm gonna use to make the compound butter. I'm gonna make some extra jerk marinade. Take some scallion. Take some cloves of garlic. Take a whole of onion. Boom, bang, bang. Put some more marinade in there. Yeah, no. Boom, bang, bang. Jerk marinade. Honestly, let's pour it right. We have a turkey that is going to be marinated for the next few days. So see there, people, the bird has been wrapped up. So I'm gonna make it go and do its thing. I'm gonna put it in the fridge to make it go and marinate for however long it need. So until next time. Well, next time should be in the same video. So until it's time to actually put this on the grill. Mad.
Yo, so Chef Boy Yaadman is back. Today is Big Turkey Day.
Is it me I say? So, okay now people. I don't see how the turkey did a marinade. I soon take it out of the bag. Jerk seasoning did it there. Oh! Yeah man, that smell nice. This smell like a something I probably have to do every year. If I'm being honest with you, I hope it come out good. Because I tell the God truth, this is the first time I jerk turkey. Alright? I see it here. I have the wood. There I catch some fire. Because as you know, you can't have jerk without smoke. Alright? So, we'll get the fire burning. And I'm going to put on the turkey on the fire. Could get the bird in a position. Yeah, you can. Now people, remember the jerk butter I did make? Yeah man, I heat it up and I did use it on the brush and use it as a nice base for this beautiful bird. Look at that. Put it nice and juicy. Ooh. It not finished yet, but I feel like this is a success. I am speaking it into existence already. Look at that. Look how she crossed the leg them. The turkey shy. The hen shy. Look how the leg them lock up. Alright, let's brush her down and make her feel comfortable, isn't it? I say. Yes. You know? I don't understand why you're shy with me, you know. I can remember what I go on the other night. With Thanksgiving upon us, I decided to prepare a turkey. So right so soak some wood chips
soak the wood chips to make sure say you get a longer burn and more smoke out of it. Understand? And of course we use the smoke to cook the meat. People, it is time. The jerk turkey. Look at that! Cha-cha. See it here, people. The turkey has been finished. You see me? But don't slice it in a two a while ago. Okay. I'm gonna slice off piece off of the breast because I really the turkey breast will determine if the turkey good or not, you know. Dog. Me can cook. Because this bad. But I get some other people opinion on it, you see me? Oh, you're good, man. See it there? So what we have here, come on, see that steaming. What we have here is the turkey. Put some cranberry sauce on it. You see me? I say homemade cranberry sauce, mind you. Some green beans, some rice and peas. Alright.
Rice and peas.
Yeah, man, watch the steam. Alright, try it, brother.
Which one?
Yeah, you just whatever order.
Yeah, I'll try this.
Alright. Now keep in mind, it's when you eat that turkey. People were telling me that, oh no, you shouldn't like turkey's gonna be dry. I tell them, say, yo, that's if you can't cook, then say that.
Much. Alright, let me. Moment you've been waiting for.
Alright.
Oh, fucking pot.
Yep. So, jerk turkey, what do you think? Yeah. Ah! Yeah, man, try the rice and peas too, bro.
Brother, I've had your rice and peas.
You had my rice and peas? Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah,
always.
that's one people them know, say, we're cooking over here. Bro? What's the man?